In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Jotform with Monday.com. We'll walk through the process step by step so you can take responses from your Jotform and start managing them directly inside Monday.com. This is really useful if you want to centralize your data, automate your workflows, or just keep your team aligned without constantly copying and pasting form submissions. First, make sure you're logged into your Monday.com account and that you're on the correct workspace or board where you want to use the integration. Once you're ready, look towards the top of your Monday.com interface for the Marketplace option. Depending on your layout, this might appear in the main navigation or under a menu icon, but it will be labeled as the Marketplace. Click to open it. The Marketplace is where you can find apps and integrations that extend what Monday.com can do. When the Marketplace opens, you'll see a search bar, usually near the top of the page. Click into that search bar and type the word Jotform. Take a moment to make sure it's spelled correctly so you get the right result. After you type it in, the Marketplace will search for apps related to Jotform and display them below. You should now see the Jotform integration appear in the search results. Look for the official Jotform app listing. It will typically include the Jotform name and logo, along with a brief description. Click on this result to open the app's detail page. This page will give you more information about what the integration does, any permissions it needs, and sometimes examples of use cases. On the Jotform app page, you'll find a button labeled Use Template, or something very similar. This button is what you'll use to start setting up the integration based on a predefined template. Go ahead and click on Use Template. Monday.com will begin creating the structure needed for the integration, such as a sample board or automation recipe, depending on how the app is set up. From here, you'll typically be guided through connecting your Jotform account and choosing which form and which Monday.com board you want to link. Just follow the on-screen prompts that Monday.com provides, and that's it for the basic setup path. Open the Marketplace, search for Jotform, select the Jotform app, and click Use Template to start integrating your form responses into Monday.com.